fam, I'm Chantel and I lost 44 pounds and counting. Let's talk about how I went from this to this. As we all know, healthy eating is an important part of keeping up a healthy lifestyle, but you know what else is important? Strength training and moving your body. I know, when you hear the word strength training, I'm sure you're ready to run for the hills, but don't, just hear me out first. For me personally, strength training has really changed my life for the better. And no, if you pick up some heavy weights, it will not change your body to the point where you look manly or more masculine. If you're on a fat loss journey like me, strength training really is your best friend. Why, do you ask? Because you burn more fat when you're at rest. When you start strength training, you are building the muscles in your body. The more muscles your body has, the more calories your body naturally burns throughout the day. So even right now, as I'm making this video to you, my body is burning off fat because I strength train. Another benefit to strength training is preserving the muscles that you have while losing fat loss. So while I'm on this fat loss journey, I'm currently eating in a caloric deficit. And that just basically means that I'm eating less calories that I am burning in a given day. But with that, that means that I could potentially lose body fat and also muscle mass. So with strength training, I'm maintaining keeping my muscles nice and strong while simultaneously losing that unwanted body fat. I don't know about y'all, but as I age, I would like to keep my bones nice, strong, and healthy. So pairing strength training with a healthy plant-based lifestyle really keeps your bones nice and strong and have them holding on for longevity. If you watched my previous video of why I went plant-based to begin with, I'll link it somewhere up here in the corner. I talk about my mental health and it is very important to me. And strength training really helps keep everything where it should be. Studies have shown that strength training can help with reducing your anxiety and feelings of depression and also boosts your self-confidence. Regular strength training also helps with our balance, our mobility, and just overall functionality. So as we grow older, we are more likely to have more independence because our body is nice and strong and we have better control over it. I know starting a strength training lifestyle can feel a little bit intimidating at first, but you're going to do great. You don't necessarily have to start off at the gym right away. You could work your way up to it, and you could really start at home. All you need is a mat and a floor, and you could do some push-ups or some planks. You could get some resistance bands that are relatively affordable, or you could just start off with some light dumbbells as well. And you could also get on YouTube and find some fitness workouts that are beginner friendly. I will link some of my favorite YouTubers below that I follow personally when I am working out at home, so we could do this together. I hope this video really motivates you to get out there and start moving your body for the better. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.